Alright, so I know I can't be the only one that does this. So I have a huge pack of Monster just sitting at home, yet I insisted on going all the way to the store and getting a cold brew. There's just something about the drive to go to the store. It just hits different, boys. Let's put this down though. Good morning, guys. What is going on? Yes, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and I'll get to all that in a little bit, but I have some pretty cool news for you guys. If you guys look behind me, we have some pieces of the Skyline, and they are not red. And over here on the other side of my garage, we have even more pieces of the Skyline, and they are in fact also not red anymore. There is, however, a lot of orange peel. We're definitely gonna have to do something about that. But boys, for like the past 2.5 weeks, I've been working on the Skyline, working on getting it painted, and I have ran into so many little issues. Let me go ahead, bring the Skyline in the garage, explain everything to you guys. And then today we're gonna go ahead, put the Skyline all back together, and then maybe even take her out for a little rip. There she is, boys. The Skyline is officially painted, and now it's not done. By no means is it done, because you guys can clearly see it barely looks like a car right now. We still have to put it together, and we still have to put like the trim back in and everything, and this paint has a lot of orange peel, so we're definitely gonna have to cut and buff that. But the car is painted, boys. I'm so excited. I painted the actual body of the car, I think 3 days ago. Then 2 days ago, I painted everything that you see down here. And then just last night, I finished painting all this. Now nothing besides the front lip has to get painted. I ran into some issues with the front lip where the primer was kind of just chipping off, so I'm gonna have to do that. This is the deepest, most darkest, most jet black I could find on the market. Huge shout out to Delira Designs. He helped me find this color. He helped me find the clear coat. Behind the scenes, he did help a lot with painting this car. Let's just go ahead, start putting this car back together. My dudes, it is so ridiculously hot and humid today in Jersey. All I've done so far is pretty much just this, and I'm sweating like crazy. The whole Monsty's already empty, so I'm gonna need another one. But so far, we got the headlights in, we got this corner light in, got the front bumper kinda on. Now, I ran into a little bit of an issue. So you guys can see on this corner light, there is a mounting tab right here. So this is how I mounted the corner light into the fender. Now on this side, this is the replacement corner light that I bought. If you guys remember, this car got into an accident and somebody backed up into this side, damaging this original corner light. The broken corner light is actually right over, right over here. Here is the old broken corner light. I'm gonna try to find a piece of metal that's just like about yay long, and then drill it into here and then mount it down into here, just so that this corner light kind of holds, because right now I can put it like this, but it is not gonna stay in at all. So far, I'm really liking it. The only thing is, however, this whole car without the front lip, without the stock front lip, looks straight up like a GTST, which it's not. It's a GTR, boys. It's a GTR. We're gonna put this lip back on. I don't want the GTST look. These stock 350 wheels have gotta go. That is like 100 times better, dude. I just took the Cosmoses off of Amanda's car and then threw them on the Skyline. Sorry, Amanda, but your car's about to get painted, so it doesn't really need some nice Cosmoses on there. So while the car was jacked up, I tried putting these side skirts on. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do so because I need some 3M tape. Here, let's flip it over so I can show you guys. And then I also need some new clips because these clips are worn out too. Honestly, these clips are probably older than me. I also need to go ahead and put this window trim back in so I can cover up this ugly red and never see it again. I put the Cosmoses onto the Skyline. You ready to see it? The fitment is god awful, but here you go. She's finally looking like a car again.
Wow!
Right? Amanda just got off work, so I'm waiting for her to come through so we can get this thing done ASAP. We're trying to get the Skyline all done today so that tomorrow we can go ahead and start doing all the body work on the 350. I don't know if it's all gonna be in one video or if I'm gonna have to split it into part 1 and part 2, but I wanna make a video on a step-through-step process on how to paint a car at home. Like, I wanted to do that with the Skyline, but I ran into so many issues that I just got super frustrated that I just didn't even want to pick up the camera. But I'm really hoping that doesn't happen with the Z. I'm really hoping the Z is just buttery smooth. Just got back from the store, picked up some double-sided tape, and then also picked up some clips for the side skirts in case we need some new ones, because these old ones, some of them are broken. And guess who decided to finally join us? The one and only. Thoughts on the Skyline? How do you feel about it? What do you think? It finally looks like a car again. We haven't seen it in one piece in so long, like literally since February.
It looks like a GTST.
It does. It looks like a GTST, so heavy. Without the front lip especially, dude. I gotta lower the back and then, actually wait, let's not even lower the back because we gotta put the side skirts on. But yeah, it looks like a GTST heavy. Are you okay? You guys didn't see it, but we actually went to the store together to go get everything. And on the ride home, Amanda literally almost died on her water. Literally almost died. Like, she was drinking water and then she started laughing, and then next thing I know, like, somebody's just like so I pulled over to the side of the road real quick, got out, gave her the Heimlich maneuver, and then she thinks that I saved her life, and she's a medical assistant, so I'll take her word for it. So basically your boy is now Heimlich maneuver certified. Oh my God, this was the move. Now, if you guys remember, these are not the mirrors that came with the car. We have the stock mirrors right over here. These look so freaking fire. I've always seen like these Ganador mirrors and I've always wanted them on the BRZ. Finally got them on the Skyline. I think it looks so cool. Once the car gets all like the little stuff that makes it a little bit more aggressive, I think the side mirrors are gonna like complement everything else going around on the car. Ran into yet another little issue. So we had a bunch of these clips on the Skyline side skirt, and I thought some of them were good. So we only ended up getting like 6 clips from Advanced Auto. It turns out that the clips that were on the Skyline side skirt are completely useless. If you guys remember, the side skirt was always kind of falling off, and these clips explain why. So watch this. So the clip goes into the hole and just nothing. Just there's absolutely, like it doesn't even want to stay in there at all. One last thing I just had to get done today was the wing. We got a slap on the wing today just so it looks like a Skyline. Oh, she good, bud. She good. She is. All right, now. Damn. I've been looking at this without a wing for so long. Now with the wing, oh, so much better. So much better. While Amanda's putting the gaskets on, 2 things about the rear bumper. 1, we still have to paint this this license plate bracket. It's still red, so we're still gonna have to make that black. I was just gonna spray paint it like satin, so it kind of offsets the gloss. Thing number 2 is that we are not gonna be putting in the reverse lights. The reverse lights go right here. One of my reverse lights was actually cracked when I got the car, so I have another one on order. It's actually sitting at high intake performance as we speak. I just have to drive up there and go get it. If you guys need any parts from Japan or anything, hit up high intake performance. Oof. Oh baby, oh my God, that is fire. Dude, I am so hyped. I'm so hyped. This car is one color, actually a decent color this time. Actually, oh my God, that's actually completely wrong because this is still red. Like I said, you know, we're gonna paint this, but this looks so good in black. Holy crap. We're gonna throw the license plate on just because we're gonna go drive around in case we get pulled over. We at least have a license plate on, even though Amanda insisted that we put the license plate on. I told her it doesn't matter because I don't have a driver's side mirror. So it doesn't really matter. While Amanda drives the car down the street, I'm gonna hop on one of the bikes and get a little roller for you guys. Like I said before, this isn't really how I was expecting to kind of reveal the car to you guys. I wanted to do like a really cool video reveal and just show you guys like the new wheels and the final paint and just everything on the car all at once. But a lot of things are back ordered and a lot of things didn't go as planned with this car. So unfortunately that plan kind of had to step aside. I want to make this video to kind of get back into the swing of things and show you guys what the color is. And I hope you guys like the black. Do you have anything you want to add?
I do. This car was a journey, and I'm just so excited it's done.
It's not done.
Like,
we still have a little bit to do, boys.
So we have a lot of it to do, but this car took forever to paint. I'm just excited it's done.
It was very frustrating.
Forever.
But I'm gonna end off the night over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.